Bye, Dad. Hey, where you gonna go? Just going out to a bar.
Ah, you go to the girlfriend.
Nah.
Mac show you planted the Pino.
Pino? If it wasn't for Pino.
If it wasn't for Pino.
Wow. Max & Sons Parfum is here to help you feel and smell your absolute best. If you are new in this channel, don't forget to like, leave a comment, subscribe, and smash that bell button to keep you updated. Let's get started.
Hi, so this is Max & Sons Perfume, and we are opening the Pino Silvestre. Okay, Pino Silvestre is an aromatic fragrance for men. Okay, was launched in 1955. Okay, the nose behind this fragrance is Lino Vidal, and the top notes are juniper, berries, basil, lavender, lemon, and bergamot. Middle notes are fine tree needles, carnation, clarisades, caraway, and caranium. Base notes are cedar, oak moss, tonka-bean, and amber. Okay, as you can see, so I will open now. Alright. So this box comes with 3 ml, like what do you call this one? Buy one 125 ml, get mini size free. So let's first open the mini size. Okay, so this is the mini size. Alright. Oh, sorry, it was, so this is the mini size. I'm opening it right now. Wait a minute. So, okay. Alright, so this is the mini size. Oh, okay. And let's open the mini size. Okay, I will try to smell. Smells good. So let's see this one. Let's open the actual box. Okay, this is the actual box. Wait a minute. Okay. It's hard to open because it's new. Okay. So this is unboxing, as you can see, right? Okay, then we will get the actual product inside. Okay, this is the box. Okay, so this is now the product, the real product. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Okay, this is glass. This is the plastic cup. It has the sprayer is in here, so like you have to spray it this way, like this. Oh, okay, like that. So I think the smell is just good. Like the description, it was like it presented in 1955 as a 4-grain composition. The perfume still reduces with its refreshing, clear notes and its authentic bottle design. It was designed by Lino Vidal, who brought a handful of freshness and sweetness to bergamot, lavender, basil, shiny lemon, and juniper. berries in the top notes, and the heart carries the explosion of spicy notes of carnation, nutmeg, geranium, thyme, and 3. The base contains accords of amber, cedar, musk, tonka beans, and moss. So I think this is a quite cheap perfume, but it smells good also. It's not the, you know, it's not the compared to other perfume, it's not that it's not that good performer, but I think you can just use it from time to time. So if you want to buy this one, guys, you can just buy it from Max & Sons Perfume. Okay, that's all for now, and this is Max & Sons Perfume, and don't forget to subscribe into my YouTube channel. Okay, have a good one, guys. See ya.
Wow. Thank you for watching Max & Sons Parfum. If you like this video, share it with your friends to start smelling absolutely gorgeous. Don't forget to like, put any comments regarding your concern in perfumes and fragrances, and we're happy to answer you or do a video for you. Subscribe and hit that bell for you not to miss any of my contents uploaded every week. See you again next time. Max & Sons Parfum. Even the goddess will fall.